Good Thursday morning, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern, level 0. We have no weather worries for our Thursday. Premier Generators brings us our threat graphic. No severe weather through at least Monday. And Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. And now you know why there's no weather worries and why there's no severe weather expected for the next 5 days. There's no precipitation on here for the next 5 days. I might get to add a shower on Sunday evening. The highest chance I'd ever be able to go with that is 20%. And so, yeah, mostly sunny today, tomorrow, Saturday, low 70s for highs today and tomorrow. Saturday, mid 70s. Overnight lows around 40 tonight and tomorrow night. Some of us will be down around 39 ish tonight. Saturday night, mid to upper 40s. Sunday is our warmest of the 5 days because we have a cold front coming through Sunday night, the strongest cold front of the season thus far. And ahead of those cold fronts, we're usually the warmest we're going to be, so we'll be in the upper 70s. And then the cold front comes through Sunday evening into the overnight hours. Unfortunately, like I said, it's mostly a dry frontal passage. Maybe get a sprinkle. One of y'all may get a shower. And then look at Monday, high 61, low 37. And guess what? Tuesday's even colder. So, first frost of the season coming next week and right on time. We usually get our first frost around the middle of October. Next week's the middle of October. So, get ready for frost on the pumpkin. On this day, 1980, the temperature hit 90 degrees at Nashville, and that's the latest date they've ever recorded a 90-degree reading. 1804, the famous snow hurricane occurred in the Northeast. Around New England, the hurricane was moving up the coast. The backside of it's got the northerly winds that pulled in colder air from the north, turned the backside of that hurricane into snow, 1 to 3 feet of snow. In 1780, the Great Hurricane of 1780 kills 20 to 30,000 people in the Caribbean, hitting Barbados first. It's the Atlantic's deadliest recorded hurricane. Back in the day before satellite, back in the day before technology, back in the day before we knew what we know now, and so we can save so many more lives. Meteorologist Mark's meteorology is the stratosphere. So we've been exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere. Now we've come down to the stratosphere. The bottom of this layer is only 33,000 feet above the surface of the Earth. So we're getting closer. The top of the stratosphere occurs about 31 miles up. And the height of the bottom of the stratosphere, while it's around 33,000 feet, it changes with latitude, being a little bit higher at the equator because the Earth swells from being so hot, with the air being so hot there, and then contracts near the poles where the air is much colder. Ozone is very popular in this layer, and that causes the temperature to increase as you go up from the bottom of the stratosphere to the top of the stratosphere. And air is roughly 1,000 times thinner at the top of the stratosphere than it is at sea level. So speaking of atmosphere, there's a chance we might see the northern lights tonight. Yeah, fingers crossed. It looks like it's going to be a heck of a solar storm. Could see some northern lights. I'll keep you posted. Otherwise, let's keep everyone in Florida close to our hearts today as they're dealing with the aftermath of Milton. And then we still got those folks that are dealing with the aftermath of Helene. Lots of folks to keep close to our hearts and in our prayers. You folks have a wonderful Thursday. Keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.